Hello and welcome to Techposts Guides. I'm Ravi and today we will unbox and review the Antec Atom B550, which is the most affordable 550 watt 80 plus bronze certified power supply unit that I bought recently. So let's get started and let's have a look at it. So last week I finished my 10th generation Hackintosh build by using OpenCore. My PC build consists of i5-10400 Intel CPU, Z490 UDAC motherboard from Gigabyte, RX 590 8GB DDR5 graphics card again from Gigabyte, two 2.5-inch hard drives, two M.2 SSDs, one SATA SSD, three 120mm RGB fans, deep cooled GT V2 CPU cooler, and all this inside a Cooler Master K501L RGB case. I purchased all this from Amazon at a great price, so you can find the best buy links in the description. Now to power everything, I decided to buy a 550 watt PSU. While searching, I came across this new Atom B550 PSU from Antec on Amazon and bought it for just Rs 3300 or roughly $45, which was the great deal considering it's a 80 plus bronze certified power supply. Now inside the box we get a sheet specifying the number of power supply connectors in each different models. Then there's a AC power cable UK style, the Atom B550 bronze power supply unit, and some screws to mount the PSU in the case. In this power supply unit we get the usual 24-pin connector for the motherboard, 8-pin connector for the CPU power, then we get 6 SATA power connectors and two 6+2 PCIe connectors for the graphic cards and if you want to run SLI or Crosswire. Talking about the features, this bronze certified Antec Atom B550 comes with APFC, which is active power factor conversion, great feature to have in a PSU and it's very common nowadays. Then there's over voltage protection, over power protection, short circuit protection and under voltage protection. The good thing about this power supply unit is that it's powering my 10th generation i5 powered PC quite well. The power supply unit fan speed is internally controlled and thus it's virtually silent. All you can hear is CPU fan noise and that I'm going to replace very soon with a deep cool GT V2 CPU cooler. Now it has been only 3 days now and till now it has worked really well and I haven't faced any issue with this power supply unit. But today something strange happened. I was playing Doom Eternal on my system at ultra high settings and suddenly after 15-20 minutes my system turned off and it restarted. I don't know if that happened because of the CPU temperatures, because I'm using the stock cooler, or it happened due to power supply. By the way, it's a bronze power supply, but it's from a brand called Antec. It's a decent brand, but I can't say what actually happened because I don't know. But I doubt this power supply, and for this reason, I'm changing it with a 700 watt power supply unit from Gigabyte, which is B700. That will be coming tomorrow, and I'll be installing that in my system, and I'll create a video on that also. So stay tuned and subscribe to my channel. Now this power supply unit, the Atom B550, comes with 3 years of warranty and the price on Amazon right now is $3,400. On MD computers and other sites you can find the price somewhere around $3,200 to $3,400, but then you need to pay extra charges as shipping charges, and also return and replacement policy of these websites sucks. Amazon makes it easy to return and replace, and since this is being sold by Pario Retail, which is Amazon's subsidiary, you can buy this PSU with confidence and even return or replace if you don't like it or if it doesn't work for you, like I did. It didn't work, so I replaced it with a better power supply, 700 watt. Now let's talk about the things that I did and didn't like. The quality of wires and connectors is decent but not impressive. Also, only the main motherboard power supply connector cable is braided. All other wires are non-braided, which wasn't a deal breaker for me at this price considering it's a bronze certified power supply unit. However, I do mind the low quality AC input wire which comes with this unit, that too UK style. but in India we need EU plugs. However, unlike other Antec PSUs, this comes with all black wires, which is a good thing. So no red yellow wires or those mustard wires with this unit. In case if you have any question regarding this power supply unit, you want to ask something, you can ask me via comments down below. Also do subscribe my channel as I will bring more videos like this. I bought several new components for the 10th generation PC build and I'll be unboxing and reviewing all the units on this channel. So stay tuned, subscribe now and hit the thumbs up if you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching guys. Stay safe. Good day.